Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. I am taking a look at XRP here, and as we can see, looking like it's got a very interesting chart formation in my opinion. You can see what we've got here is, you know, this little bit of resistance here that we're still stuck under from the bear market. You can see this previous support turned into resistance here, which is quite interesting. Overall, obviously we are breaking out of some of our bear market resistances here as well, which is really cool. You can see very clearly here we've got this bear market resistance. We've got the breakout here, grinding that back test out. You can see it here, back test, and then we did get that pretty parabolic run up, didn't we? And that last month for XRP, where we ran from around that 35-cent level all the way up to around 60 cents there. Pretty much tapped in perfectly to that bear market resistance, that overall bear market resistance there for XRP that we still haven't broken. You can see very clearly. Got a rejection there. Obviously, we came back inside the range. Kind of formed a bit of a range here, haven't we? I did talk about this range previously when we kind of made it here, and you can see pretty much what's happened is we've come up here, made a range, but we fell back inside that previous bear market range that we were in for a long time here. Come down, consolidate, chopping sideways, but then we broke out here, came up for another shot, broke out into this range, but got stuck inside, came back tested again, and then over the past week or so, sold off to the bottom of that overall second range that we're now in. And I did say, you know, a few weeks ago, I think it was, that this 0.23 Fibonacci level here is going to play a role, and I did have a long position ready on this level in and around here if we did hit it. As you can see here, it has been actually hit here, and my stop loss down here hasn't been hit. So right now, sitting in, you know, a small profit right now on this XRP long, waiting to see what happens next. Looking like it's just chopping sideways right now. A fair amount of volatility because of Bitcoin over the past few days, obviously, but I do think that we're probably going to see a bit of a bounce here, in my opinion, for XRP. Basically got that breakout, and now we're back testing that 0.23 Fibonacci level, and probably, in my opinion, heading back up to the top of the range here to retest that bear market resistance. Provided that Bitcoin, you know, goes up and sideways, we're probably going to see XRP doing something similar as well, in my opinion. But right now, you know, XRP, quite a cool cryptocurrency to look at. The chart here looking like it's primed, in my opinion, for a nice little move. You can see, you know, we've come down. We've got this, basically this bull market support turned into resistance right now. But I do think once this gets broken, along with that bear market resistance down like this as well, this is going to be a very explosive move, in my opinion. Obviously, XRP, in my opinion, as well, a very strong long-term cryptocurrency hold. I do think this is going to do extremely well going into the future and the long term. And you can see we still haven't hit that all-time high for XRP at around $3.30 that we did see in the previous bull market. So it'll be interesting to see with this long years and years here of kind of coiling up and consolidation. Let me just look at this on the weekly time frame actually. Undo that, zoom in. You can see here we're kind of been coiling up like this for years and years for XRP, and I mean, you know what they say. I mean, if we did something like this, I'm not saying that this is going to happen, but if we did do something like this, we're obviously going to be looking at some very ridiculous prices for XRP. $500, anyone? That would be absolutely insane, to be honest, and probably not feasible or possible. Obviously it's possible, but it's very not feasible. But right now, as you can see here, the weekly time frame really is showing everything in a much more clear, granular light. You can see basically just come into this retest, breakout. Now, you know, if we can look to hold that 0.23 and continue, start getting back up through our Fibonacci levels, then, you know, the world could potentially be our oyster here. I mean, nice $20 for XRP would be fantastic, wouldn't it? So we'll see what happens. But for now, guys, looking like XRP right now is just consolidating, waiting for its next move. I do think we'll probably see a little bit of a bounce here, in my opinion, back up to the top of the range. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please do like and subscribe. You're all absolute legends, and I will see you in the next video.